This tip is so basic, but I still find that many agents don't do it. So you submitted an offer, now what? If you are representing the buyer, you have to communicate with the listing agent every step of the way. My team and I personally text, call, email the listing agent before making the offer. Why? Because I want to know what we're going against. Do they have multiple offers? Are they willing to contribute with closing costs? Are they flexible with the price? There is so much to learn with a phone call, so you can put your buyer on the winning seat. After the offer is sent, we continue to follow up every day. First, we want to make sure that the offer is being received, and every day until we get an answer. You'll be surprised at the number of agents that just send the offer, sit and wait. I have discovered offers that were several days old, and I have gone to my spam email, and I only learned about it because the agent inquired about their offer. Imagine that. This poor buyer missed out on their home. This business is based on relationships and communication. So if you're not communicating, it can hurt your buyer on the long run.